Hello and welcome to House Build Part 16. If you remember in the previous episode, when the dryer vent was installed, they cut the joist. So we're going to have to repair that. So we will need to remove the dryer vent, take that down out of the way, and remove the blocking between the joists. And then we've got another joist that we're going to put in between the I-beam and the sill. And it's a tight fit. We'll just put it back in, screw it to the existing joist, sister it up, and then reinstall the dryer vent back where it came from. And that should take care of any potential issues we may have. You can see it's a double beam now. So meanwhile, upstairs we have some sewer line. It's a 6-inch sewer line getting ready to be installed. Working on the water out front. Got to close off that Y valve and move it over. The plumber that's working on the sewer line ran into the old foundation for the house that used to be here, so that's given a little bit of a fit while digging the trench for the sewer line. So he's going to need to cut through the old foundation to get the sewer line through and get it filled back in. You can see the foundation there, so we're going to need to cut through the foundation so we can get it out of there. All right, now we have the old foundation cut out of the way. You can see the old clay pipe from the previous sewer line. We ran into that, no big deal there. We're going to tap into the sewer, so that's not a problem. That was just a dead line that was laying in the ground. You can see our cutout through the old foundation there. And we lay the sewer line along our trench. Once we get this dug out all the way. So we've got the siding guys working around the house as well. They're working their way up, putting the trim stuff on around the house. We'll take a look here while the plumber's working on the sewer line. And they're working their way around the house ever so slowly. Working their way up and around the back of the house where the deck's going to be. And on the inside, the insulators have come through and done all the walls so that we are ready for our drywall installation. You can see everything is insulated all the way along the exterior walls and where the attic meets the interior, and we'll have blown in insulation in the remainder of the attic. We've got our attic hatch set. It's going to be in the master closet. And back out at the sewer line, we've got a T here. That's going to be our clean out. So we've got some backfill once that is all finished to go in the hole. And the siding guys have got the front all finished. And we've got our marking for our water line ready to go. So we backfilled some of the sewer line. We've got our trench ready for our water supply. And we are tapped into the main water supply. Have our meter base ready to go. So we need to run our water line now. That'll be coming up next in House Build Part 17. If you like this series, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.